Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using Optimum. Optimum, accessible at www.optimum.com, offers a variety of internet, TV, and phone services. Navigating their website, you'll discover various package options designed to cater to diverse needs and budgets. Whether you're a single user looking for basic internet connectivity or a large family requiring a comprehensive entertainment and communication solution, Optimum likely has a plan that fits. Their website provides detailed information on internet speeds, channel lineups for TV packages, and available phone features. Customers can compare different plans side by side to make an informed decision based on their specific requirements. Optimum also frequently promotes special offers and discounts, making it worthwhile to check their website regularly for potential savings. Additionally, the website offers support resources including FAQs, troubleshooting guides, and contact information for customer service. For those seeking a bundled service package, Optimum presents options that combine internet, TV, and phone services, potentially offering cost savings compared to subscribing to each service individually. The website interface is designed to be user-friendly, allowing for easy navigation and access to essential information. From understanding data allowances to exploring available equipment options, Optimum.com strives to provide a comprehensive online experience for potential and existing customers. They often highlight their network coverage area, allowing visitors to quickly determine service availability in their location. While specific offerings can vary depending on your geographic area, the Optimum website serves as a central hub for exploring their range of services and managing your account. They also frequently showcase customer testimonials and reviews, providing further insights into the customer experience. Finally, Optimum's online platform often includes information about their community involvement and initiatives, highlighting their commitment to the areas they serve. It's worth exploring the website thoroughly to grasp the full scope of Optimum's services and features.